Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to adjust audio balance on Motorola Moto G47. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. After click on accessibility, scroll down and click on audio adjustment, and if you want to adjust audio balance, so you will see audio balance is here. Adjust, increase or decrease from here. If you want to decrease audio balance, so you will see left. If you want to increase, so right. So you will, after add adjustment, to go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.